Today I'm going to help Foxwell try and troubleshoot and diagnose their scanner. I wanted to use this scanner to do my rear brakes and command the rear electric parking brakes into the service, maintenance, pad replacement position, and instead it threw an error code. I returned the original one, got a refund. Foxwell reached back out to me and offered to loan me one if I can reproduce the problem so they can hopefully fix it. With the car
For new medicines that cure rare diseases.
on, just plug the scanner into the diagnostic port and it comes on. All right, let's do the auto VIN first. Automatic read. Elantra CN7A, 2-liter engine, America, and the VIN number. We want to do maintenance mode, electronic parking brake, Hyundai, smart VIN, Elantra, 2-liter, USA, yes is F3, function failed. Search online to obtain relevant technical knowledge or seek help from Foxwell Technical Support, Amazon support at foxwelltech.com. So nothing happened at the parking brake. This threw an error. Let's see if we can zoom in on that error. There we go. There's the error message. There is another option to try manual selection. Elantra CN7A, 2021, 2-liter, America. It likes everything it's seen. F3 say yes. Okay, and we're going to try and put it in the brake pad change mode. And listen, you only hear it go for a fraction of a second. F3 okay. And I didn't hear it wind all the way back. It just went click. It's not supposed to do that. It's supposed to go wee and wind it all the way back, and it didn't do that. Let's do the assembly check now. That should put it back in the regular service position. F3 okay. Well, that worked right. It actually did something. Well, supposedly that's all I had to do was have this connected to the Wi-Fi while the malfunction or the error code was thrown. I'm gonna get back on my computer, email Foxwell, let them know the serial number and that it was connected to Wi-Fi and see what they say. Till next time, I'm Steve from the YouTube channel Workbench-Z. Go have fun with your tools. Pain sensor, polymerizing